Hello, I'm Gautami. In this video, we'll see how to change HTTP forward proxy settings on an atom or molecule. We'll change HTTP proxy settings in the atom management page under properties panel. You must have the atom management privilege to perform this task. If you have the atom management read access privilege only, you cannot perform this task. So now let's get started. Firstly, for that, you have to go to manage and atom management and select your respective atom or molecule, and then click on the in settings and configurations, click on properties and then advanced. So you have to add each property that uh, you wanted to set here. So the first is select the proxy host, click add property, and you can type your host name or IP address in the property value field, host or IP. And the next property is proxy port. So these two are like the mandatory properties. Click on add a property, and then here you can type your port number in the value field. And the next is if your forward proxy requires user authentication, select the proxy user ID property. This is an optional one. So proxy user ID. Yes. So click on the add property, and you can type the user ID in your property value field. Okay. So the next one is encrypted proxy password or your proxy password. So if there is an encrypted proxy password exists on the atom or molecule, the property list shows the encrypted proxy password property like how you could see or here. I've already added this property in my container properties file, so you could see it here. Please note that you cannot edit this encrypted password. If you wanted to set or edit a process, edit this proxy password, there is another video you can check on how to change the password once it has been set and encrypted on the atom. So the next one is select the non-proxy host properties. So this is also an optional one, non-proxy host. So click add property. Here, the non-proxy host property specifies the host to be connected to directly, not through the proxy server. The value can be a list of hosts, each separated by pipe. For example, it can be my company, my local host. And so an asterisk can be used for matching. So here, let me add an asterisk. So that means here it would indicate that any host suffixed by my company or a host of local host should not go through the proxy. So that is the benefit of this property here. So this is how you can add the required properties and change your HTTP forward proxy settings for your atom or molecule through atom management page. After all this, click save. So once after you click on the save, because this changes to these properties do not take effect until the atom or molecule is restarted. So you are prompted to restart. So you have option to restart now or restart later. Let me click on the restart now. This is how you can change your HTTP forward proxy settings for your atom or molecule. Thank you.